To begin, we're going to pull up some pallet wood boards to make our turkey feathers. I am going to use this thick piece of scrap wood that I had for the turkey body. I drew the turkey body and now I'm going to cut it out with a jigsaw. Next, I'm going to layer some spray paint in a tote bucket. As you see here, just layering multiple colors and then taking a stir stick to kind of blend them a little bit, place my pallet wood in, and then slowly pull it out, and you will get this super cool effect on your wood because I want my turkey to be funky. I am going to cut the hydro-dipped boards into smaller pieces that are going to be used for the turkey feathers. I hydro-dipped a couple of different boards in different patterns to make this project a lot more fun. A fun, funky turkey. I am using my jigsaw to make the turkey head from this piece of scrap wood. Now to start putting our turkey together, I'm going to take two of the feathers and nail them onto the body of the turkey as you see here. I like the way it looks. I will continue to add my feathers onto the turkey, either nailing them to the base or the body of the turkey or to the other feathers to get the look that I'm going for. As you can see, I am nailing these feathers into the other feathers. Adding on the middle feather of the turkey, it is being nailed into the adjacent feathers. It is turning out just as I want it to. I am using a paint stick I got from Menards that I ended up cutting to the appropriate size I wanted for the feathers on the side, and I am going to nail it into the body of the turkey. And I took and faux hydro dipped these boards to match the other boards that I actually truly hydro dipped. Now to put the head on Mr. Turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. I had a small triangular piece of scrap wood that I painted orange for the turkey's beak. I did decide I was going to put a couple of screws through the feathers into the base or the body of the turkey. I'm bowing to the turkey. But really, I'm just blowing the wood dust from where I made the hole. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Adding some wood glue. Where I cut the boards into the correct width for the feathers, you can see there's no paint on them. So I'm going to create the faux hydro-dipped look using my finger and some acrylic paint. Just various colors that are similar to what's on the board. Just finger painting, as you would say. On this board I am using blue, as you can see, I will also use a peachy color and some yellow. Would you just look at that? Now I'm going to do the same thing for the other feathers. I painted this triangular piece of scrap wood I had blue because it's going to be the stand for our funky turkey. Look how colorful and fun this turkey is with the hydro-dipped feathers. It has a lot of personality. It will bring a lot of color and fun to wherever you put this in your home. So have a happy Thanksgiving and gobble, gobble, gobble. Doing my turkey strut. Woohoo!